Welcome back, guys. This is the latest update of our new trim coatings and restorers longevity test, this being update number 4, or the 3-week mark. So we've had a good amount of rain and the temperatures have been fairly mild, if not above average so far this month. And as you can see here, I am still cleaning up the mess from the ice storm that we had in late January, and it seems like it's never ending. So I'll go ahead and leave the month-to-date weather on your screen here. So as usual, we will go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse and dry before we inspect everything. So if you would like to support the channel, all you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any experience with these products. Some of these products I've tested in the past and they've done quite well. That's why they've returned, to make sure that we haven't found anything better. If you do plan on purchasing any of these products, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can continue seeing tests like this one. And if you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of these videos, especially the install and setup video of this one, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing of these. So without further ado, let's jump into it, see how things are looking after 3 weeks. So there's our control in the upper left, Vonix V plastic looking good, black D3 trim, also good. Adams ceramic, black trim, yes. CarPro Pearl 1 to 3 starting to fade pretty quickly now with just a little bit of rain on it. Gyeon Q2 trim and can coat. The trim product obviously just slightly darker, but can coat looking good. McKee's 37 looking good. Koshimi plastic hair, a little bit darker. Malco Epic Revive, not quite as dark as Koshimi. Lithium trim cubes, looking very good. New Finish Trim Doctor, much lighter there. And of course Sharpie Pro, which has been, that's a surprise to me, using a specialized magic marker. On down to the bottom row, Sonax Extreme, and it looks like our crystal parts plating, our cheap Chinese coating, it's pretty well gone. So we may actually call that one failed. But yeah, Sonax Extreme, Kiwi Shoe Dye, looking good, and crystal plastic parts plating. Sonax is close though. CarPro Deluxe and Blackmagic Factory Black, both of those looking great. Griot's Trim and Detail, that's the aerosol, not quite as dark, nor is it as glossy. Griot Ceramic Trim Wipes, Cerakote wipes, and Rust-Oleum, all those looking great. Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, it's not failed, but it's definitely wore pretty quickly, and it says it lasts for weeks. Well, we're here at the weeks mark. So Meguiar's Ultimate Black, Hybrid Ceramic Trim, Soft 99 Tire Wax, all of those looking great as well. So off to a pretty good start. I think we're gonna call the cheap Chinese one failed at this point. But New Finish Trim Doctor, Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, and Sonax, those are the other 3 standout, and CarPro Pearl. So really 4 other standouts that are weakening pretty quickly. So yeah, we'll call Plastic Parts Crystal Plating failed. Sonax, it'll get a pass, but it's pretty close. So there's your update, guys. Stay tuned for the 1-month update, and we'll see how things are holding up. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.